Hi guys, I am back today to show you my free meals and groceries Notion template. I was going to go over a couple of the details of it and the layout of it, and then just let me know if you have any questions in the comments. So I have the README here for you to reference if you ever need to see more information about how one of the pages works. And then you can just keep this closed or you can delete it once you get the hang of it. I have these 3 quick links. These are the pages within this template. There's an ingredients, a recipes, and a meal plan page. And we'll get to those in a second. The first page here, the main dashboard page, has a quick weekly view, a monthly view if you kind of want to look at the whole month really quick, and then on the menu today. And as you can see, there's nothing there. So I will show you what happens. Let's say I move this stuff to today, and then you go to the on the menu today. It'll show you with a list. So you can kind of just look, glance, get a quick overview of it. And then down here, I have a link to the recipes. There is a whole page, for the recipes, but I wanted it on the first page so you can kind of just glance at it here too. And then you can filter it by breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, and snacks. These are just fillers for you. You can go in here and change them, add your recipe instructions, notes. And then here's where you change the photo, which is what will show up over here. And you can just click these 3 dots, do replace, and then you can upload your own photo. You can use Unsplash. And I also have the template right here, new recipe set up as the default. So when you click new recipe, that stuff will all auto-populate here for you already. You can replace the photo, put your instructions. I have meal type right here. So this is what is going to go into these filters over here. And you can change these and add your own different views if you want. And then I have a status, which is success meal and want to try. And then the ingredients, you can pick from an auto-populated list. This is linked to your ingredients page, which we'll get to later. And then there's a rating if you've tried it, so that you can look by, if you're looking for just 5-star meals for tonight. And then a URL if you used a website to find your recipe that you want to refer back to. You can also add your own properties if you want. There's a little note section. Okay, so this will be shown on the recipes page right here. I also have it like on that main page here, but then I have a whole database for all of your recipes that will show up here so that you can look at it by list, and then you can create any other views that you'd like to see. The other page is the other page is the ingredients, which is what we were talking about earlier. I just have some auto-populated in here for you. You can look at it by all, which is this, by shopping list, which means only the ones that you have checked here as shopping list will show up on your shopping list. Then there's a things we have and an out of stock. Originally, I only had a shopping list and a things we have, but I didn't necessarily need everything that was out of stock to be on my shopping list for the next time I go. I might have recipes. I might add 10, 15 recipes with ingredients that I don't have, but I don't need to buy the ingredients for all of those recipes on my next trip. So if I want something that's out of stock, then I can go here and I can click it to add to my shopping list. So that's frozen strawberries. You go back to the shopping list and then you'll see frozen strawberries. And then the cool thing about this is when you're in the store, you can reference this shopping list. And say you grab popcorn, you can say bought it once it's in your cart. Sometimes it does take a minute. but it will automatically go. You don't have to do anything. It will go to, okay, so let's do bread. So then we're going to go to things we have. And it'll be added here. And I can't remember the other thing. What did we add? Frozen strawberries, maybe. Whatever we click on bought it ends up here to the things we have. So that is the ingredients. And also from this main one, you can move it around here if you want. You can either go in here and manually change it if you want, or if you're like, hey, beef patties, I want to add those to my shopping list. Actually, you can just do this, and then it will automatically change to the shopping list. Again, it does take a couple seconds. So if you're out shopping, just know that if you click that box, bought it, it'll disappear eventually. And then the other page that I have here is the meal plan. You can view it by monthly, weekly, or on the menu today, like on that first page. And I have here templates for you already. You could go here and select it. But what I like to do is say I'm planning for Friday, tomorrow. Here's a list of the templates I can do. Okay, I'm going to do breakfast right now. And I am going to pick whatever we want to have for breakfast. And then I have some properties hidden that you don't really need. This just helps you see the things in order, because otherwise these can kind of be out of order. So I gave them each a number: breakfast 1, lunch 2, snack 3, dinner 4, dessert 5, and I hide those properties. It's just so that you can see it in order here. So every time you click another one, then you can do, okay, lunch. And then you pick from your recipes what you would like for lunch. And then it will show up there. Then it also automatically populates on your monthly. And on your menu today, you will see that tomorrow, that list. Okay, let me see. And then I have just a quick little to-do list that you can add as many as you want to this if you want. For your kitchen notes, just in the overview. So let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget, you can always go here. So if you're like the ingredients page, there were some things I didn't quite understand about the shopping list. So here I kind of explain it and any notes that might help trigger that. Or you can come back and watch this video. Just let me know if you have any questions, or if you have any ideas for things that you think should be added in the next one that I make. And just let me know if you like it. Thanks so much.